Good morning, dear learners. Here Sunil from Marvelous Classes. I welcome you in 5 word series number 7. So today's first word is vicious. It is an adjective and its meaning is violent and cruel. Hinsak or nirmam. Often we heard about a vicious life. There is a common sentence, a vicious life. So we can see some more uses like a vicious attack or she has a vicious temper. Another meaning of vicious related with animals, aggressive and dangerous. आक्रामक और खतरनाक. Use a vicious dog. There is another meaning of vicious related with attack or criticism, full of hate and anger. द्वेषपूर्ण. Use she wrote me a vicious letter. There is another meaning, very bad or severe. Use a vicious spiral of rising prices. Next word, spur. This is a verb and spur can also be used as a noun. So in this episode I am discussing spur as a verb, and in next episode I will discuss as a noun. So here meaning to encourage somebody to do something or to encourage them to try harder to achieve something. अधिक मेहनत या तेजी से काम करने के लिए किसी को प्रेरित या बाध्य करना. Use spur somebody something on to something to do something. Her difficult childhood spurred her on to succeed. Another use, my trainer spurred me to keep up a pace of 4 miles an hour. Another meaning, spur something to make something happen faster or sooner. प्रेरक. वस्तु जो किसी कार्य को शीघ्रता से करने या होने को प्रेरित करे. Let's see use. The agreement is essential to spurring economic growth around the world. Another use, the fire spurred by high temperatures and strong winds had burnt more than 140 acres. Next word, bereft. This is an adjective meaning bereft of something, that is completely without something, having lost something. पूर्णतया रहित, से हीन या वंचित. Use bereft of ideas or bereft of hope. And the word chosen from a sentence some rural colleges bereft of half their faculty. There is another meaning of a person sad and lonely because you have lost something. व्यक्ति से संबंधित, शोक से उदास और एकाकी. Use he was utterly bereft when his wife died. Quirk. This is a noun meaning an aspect of somebody's personality or behavior that is a little strange. अजीब आदत या व्यवहार. Use everyone has their own little quirks and mannerisms. Another meaning, strange thing that happen especially by accident. विचित्र आकस्मिक घटना. Use by a strange quirk of fate they had booked into the same hotel. And last word, conundrum. This is a noun meaning a confusing problem or question that is very difficult to solve. Use the role of clouds is one of the big conundrums of climatology. Another meaning, a question usually involving a trick with words that you ask for fun. And there is synonym of conundrum, that riddle, paheli. So these are the words which I will cover in next episode: Flamox, Entrig, Bamboozle, Lamblast, and Combatides. There is one optional question from you. You can write in comment box about among today's words, how many words were new for you. Along with, you can mention those words also. Thank you.